From Keene in the Shire, the Liberty Media capital of the world, this is Daryl W. Perry, host of FPP Radio News for Wednesday, December 20th, 2017. Silver is trading at $16.21 per ounce. Gold is valued at $1,265 per ounce. Bitcoin is trading at 5.3 cents, and the average price of Bitcoin is $17,690. Antiwar.com reports Saudi Arabia's airstrikes against targets across northern Yemen have been a consistent reality since the early 2015 invasion, and civilians have borne the brunt of the strikes from the start. Escalating attacks, however, suggest a disturbing trend, with the UN High Commission for Human Rights expressing deep concern. That's because not only are the civilian death tolls mounting, with 136 people killed in airstrikes in 11 days, but the nature of the strikes have been increasingly troubling, suggesting less and less Saudi care in targeting. One strike hit a hospital in Hodeidah, while another hit a carload of women returning home from a wedding. Still another hit a TV station. The biggest problem, however, was the December 13th strike against a prison in Sana'a. The UN assessed 43 killed in the Saudi attack on the prison, and every single one of them was claimed to have been loyal to pro-Saudi forces. UN spokesman Rupert Colville said this was probably a mistake and that they weren't intended to kill prisoners from their own side. But they did, and they killed a lot of them. The fact that bombing a prison full of allies would kill some of those allies should not have been lost on the Saudis, and further adds to doubts about Saudi targeting in general.
For over 40 years, Robertson Roberts brokerage has been a trusted source for buying and selling precious metals. Gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. They don't feed the banks. They're Bitcoin preferred and have removed the minimum purchase amount for all orders paid in the digital currency. Call Robertson Roberts brokerage today for knowledgeable advice on buying and selling precious metals and a forward-thinking approach to new technologies. 800-874-9760 or visit online at rrbi.co.
UPI reports the Securities and Exchange Commission has suspended the trading of the crypto company over concerns of potentially manipulative transactions in the stock of the company offering services linked to Bitcoin. Trading of the stock, which has dramatically soared as the price of cryptocurrencies has risen, was suspended on Tuesday until midnight January 3rd, according to the U.S. regulatory body in a release. The stock price is worth more than 200 times what it was 3 months ago. The SEC said in a release, the commission temporarily suspended trading in the securities of the crypto company because of concerns regarding the accuracy and adequacy of information in the marketplace about, among other things, the compensation paid for promotion of the company and statements in commission filings about the plans of the company's insiders to sell their shares of the crypto company's common stock. Questions have also arisen concerning potentially manipulative transactions in the company's stock in November 2017. The company, which it says offers a portfolio of digital assets, technologies, and consulting services to the blockchain and cryptocurrency markets, was incorporated in March and went public in June by acquiring Crow, a developmental stage fitness apparel company primarily for sports bras. The little-known company, based in Malibu, California, is worth $11 billion. The stock last traded for $575 per share on NASDAQ on Monday. It closed at $22 on December 4th, and its highest price was $642 on December 11th. The company had announced plans for a 10-to-1 stock split last week. CEO Mike Puthri said in a release last week, "We encourage everyone to be cautious and judicious when considering the purchase of our stock. There are a lot of companies taking advantage of the euphoria associated with this space, and we do not want to be associated with them. We want people to pay attention to the business we are building, not the hype of a stock or the cryptocurrency world." Other small companies linked to cryptocurrencies have seen their stocks surge dramatically as well. SEC Chairman Jay Clayton said the world's social media platforms and financial markets are abuzz about cryptocurrencies and initial coin offerings. A number of concerns have been raised regarding the cryptocurrency and ICO markets, including that as they are currently operating, there is substantially less investor protection than in the traditional securities market. The SEC has yet to approve listings and trading any exchange-traded products holding cryptocurrencies or other assets related to cryptocurrencies. Clayton also noted that significant trading of Bitcoin may occur on systems and platforms outside the U.S. jurisdiction.
You can support FPP Radio by shopping online. Every purchase you make from one of my affiliates at shop.fppradio.com helps fund FPP Radio. That's shop.fppradio.com.
This has been FPP Radio News. Online at fppradio.com.